Here are 5 simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. Practice oil pulling. Brush with baking soda. Use coconut oil. Use turmeric powder. Eat fruits and vegetables. Prevent tooth stains before they happen. Are you looking to have a $1 million smile or just sick and tired of seeing yellow teeth each time you look in the mirror? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. Everyone wants to have a gorgeous smile. It's one of those many things you can use to make a first impression. Today many people usually conceal their teeth in photos primarily because they're embarrassed over the yellow appearance of their teeth. Well, it's pretty evident that the tooth whitening is the surest way to improve your appearance. It transforms your personality and boosts your self-esteem in ways you never thought possible. This is precisely why most people use whitening strips or turn to professional whitening treatments. They keep visiting the dentist now and then and end up spending a whole lot of cash, but do you know that you can have sparkling white teeth without visiting the dentists? Well, you can have a super gorgeous smile without spending a fortune on professional in-house whitening treatments. On how well, there are quite several natural whitening treatments that can improve the appearance of your teeth and make you feel great. Where are the home remedies that are sure to work great for you? 1. Baking soda. I'm pretty sure most of us have heard about the teeth cleaning properties of baking soda. Baking soda. Well, whatever you heard is right, you can use baking soda to make your teeth sparkle. Still, you have to do it in moderation to avoid enamel damage. Let's take a pinch of baking soda and rub gently along your teeth. Be sure to rinse it off. Once you have done, you can also mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide or salt for better results. Coconut oil pulling. Oil pulling is yet another excellent way to enhance the appearance of your teeth at home. For the most part, coconut has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, making it great for whitening your teeth and killing bacteria in your mouth. What could be better? It's important to note that results may take a few weeks to appear, so take your time. Turmeric powder. Ever heard of turmeric powder? If yes, you'll be glad to know that it can help lighten the color of your teeth. Moreover, this powder, which is made by dry grinding mature turmeric rhizomes, also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can also provide relief to inflamed gums. Dip your toothbrush into the powder and brush like you usually would for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm sure to rinse correctly and follow with your regular toothpaste. It's great to do this twice a week for better results. Strawberries. Love the taste of strawberries. Well, who doesn't? The good news is this super tasty red fruit can also whiten your teeth and put a big smile on your face. The most of part strawberries contain a potent natural compound known as malic acid. The great thing is this acid works wonders on tooth enamel. To use this remedy, mash fresh strawberries and brush your teeth with the same. Be sure to rinse. Once you have done, follow up with your regular toothpaste to ensure that you only do this twice a week. Don't overdo it. Orange essential oil. You can also use orange essential oil to lighten your teeth. You only have to add it to your toothpaste and brush your teeth. Orange essential oil lightens the color of your teeth thanks to the citric acid in the oil. The best part, it's also a natural antibacterial. Other handy teeth whitening tips: eat lots of crunchy veggies like celery, carrots, turnips. Limit your intake of dark beverages including tea, coffee and cola. Be sure to rinse your mouth with water after drinking tea or coffee, and that's it. As you can see, you don't need to rely on chemicals to get the teeth of your dreams. To follow 1 or 2 of these remedies, and you're good to smile.